NSS unit of St. Anthony's College, Shillong, in collaboration with the Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage, on the 18th of September 2021, as part of the celebration of the 4th Rashtriya Poshan Ma, distributed nutritional supplements, blankets and clothes to the residents of Meghalaya village in Ribhoi district. The program was chaired by the Charter President, Mr. Gideon Karmauplang, in the presence of Mr. Kunal Mordani, Chairperson of the Community Service, and other members of the club, along with Mr. Shampang Hinyota and Ms. Kathy Saiborn, Program Officers of NSS Unit, St. Anthony's College, along with the NSS volunteers. The chief guest, Mr. Sandeep Das, president of the club, stressed upon the need to focus on nutritional supplements for women, especially expectant mothers, lactating mothers, and adolescent girls, in keeping with the theme of the program. The program was followed by a distribution of the supplements, blankets, and clothes to the residents of the village. The program concluded with the headman, Mr. Promise Mukhim, and the villagers expressing their gratitude to the club and the college and the desire of working and collaborating with them in the future.
Niru naka club jongi ke Rotary Club Shillong Heritage. Nila kloi ban ya small di lang ban pin long ya kaneka program. Kumbala julong manus nem uneu benai nailur udeu benai bala raida ka sarkar me ban pin sak yang ya ka jing suthu shphang ka jing don kam ban bam ya ki jai jing bam bat te ya ka met kane ka wanra ya ka jing kwet jing kia kane ka jing kintup ya kita ki jing bam ki ong daka tin pareng ki protein rich food da ini jing ice nuret jong ni kirmen ba nangnes mat kinyadon baro ka jing bit jing biang bat ka jing kwet jing blish bone itu Meghalaya tengah ai boleh tong Meghalaya kadon gaji ai amlong enak. Itu alat sekali.